Welcome back, guys. In today's how to make money online tutorial, we are going to talk about how to invest in USDT and earn nice commission every single day. I would like you to give a big thumbs up to the video, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to receive future updates. Let's now dive into the tutorial. First of all, find your Binance account and enter this website. You can buy any of the investment plans, but you firstly need to recharge your smart work account. So let me walk you through the investment plans. This plan is $50 and you are going to earn daily commission. I mean $3.5 daily commission for 35 days. And this one is $100, so you pay $100 and you are going to earn 7.4 daily commission for 35 days. And then $300 plan is going to give you $22.5 daily commission, which matures in 35 days. $500 investment plan is going to give you 38 daily commission for 35 days. Okay, so you can just look into it and you select the one that you want to invest in. So let's try to find our account for us to start making money online. Here you just sit there, sleep, and then you wake up seeing money in your smart work account. Go to the website. I have the link in the video description down there below. Get yourself registered and begin to make money through this website. So let's go to Binance. Before we get to the Binance, click on the mine here, tap on mine, and then you tap on the recharge. Here you tap on the USDT and then you select all. You type the amount that you want to invest, maybe $100. You enter the $100 and then you click on pay. You come to collection ID. Okay, you copy the collection ID, go to Binance and make sure that you funded your account. Click on the user icon here. Make sure that your account is in the pro mode. If it is in the light mode, kindly switch to the pro mode by just switching this. When you are here, click on pay. In this case, you are sending, so click on send and then tap on the pay ID and then paste the ID here. Go to continue. Or if you don't want to confuse yourself or confuse the system, kindly seek for support, okay, so that we direct you on how to do. I will drop a link in my Telegram group that goes to the customer care of this website, of the smart work website. They will direct you on how to do. So enter the amount that you are investing here, which is $100, and then you press on the continue and you follow the other procedures to send the money to smart work. Okay, and one thing that they need is that when you make the transactions, screenshot the transaction evidence. Okay, you come back to the website and then you upload it here. Okay, click on here and then upload the screenshot that you took. After everything is completed, then you click on submit. Okay, your account is going to be funded with the recharge amount. I suggest that contact the support team for them to direct you on how to do vividly. When you want to invite your friends, you can just click on the invite here to copy either your code or your referral link and share to them for you to earn referral commission. Now you can come to the wallet and then you click on the digital wallet and then tap on the add. Now this is what I'm going to do. Go back to Binance. So come to pay and then go to receive. Now take a screenshot of this and then copy this ID. Go back to the smart work website and then paste the ID that you copied here and the screenshot that you took, upload it here like this one. So upload it there. After you are done, then you click on the add. This will be added to your digital wallet. So in case you want to make a withdrawal, you just need to issue the withdrawal and it will come. The minimum withdrawal threshold here is $30. Let's assume that you've made a commission and you want to withdraw. Tap on the withdraw and then you select your payment gateway, which is Binance, this one TRC20 USDT. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw, in my case 30 USDT, and then you enter your password. Okay, so I'm entering my password. Tap on the withdraw. So the withdrawal has been success. Within an hour, I'm going to have the money. Let me refresh this account. It has recorded that I've issued a withdrawal of $30. So within an hour, I'm going to receive this money in my Binance account. It is so simple to invest and earn a nice commission from this website. just buy one of the investment plans and then wait for it to mature. Even within the time of the maturity, you can withdraw your funds only if you have above $30 in your wallet. Okay, so that is that. It's so simple and it is basic. Just invest, sleep, the system will mine for you to withdraw your commission. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, so seek for financial advice before you partake in this. Besides, I don't know when this website is going to last. As I used to say, online investment is so risky, so be cautious when you partake. Thank you for being here. Let's meet inside one of the next videos.